Hello my YouTube friend, this is Now Mechanic, and today I'm very excited. Hopefully this will be my last part on working on my 1997 Hyundai Accent. This will be part 5 and hopefully my last part. And today what I'm going to be doing is putting the headlights and the signal lights, and I have them all right in front of me. I am very excited because my car was crashed, I was hit, and I bought it for $125, and it's gonna be my last part. So let's get it going. Let's put these headlights and the signal lights on, and let's see how the car looks. So the first one we're gonna do the crash side over here. So we're gonna be grabbing this right here, this one, and the way to put it, you have to put it sideways first from here. We're going to be putting it sideways, and then sideways, and then in. That's it, it's already in. So you want to make sure it lines up with the holes that are there. You have one over here, two with that one, 3 and 4. So what are we gonna do is this, and I would not have it in the other way. I have my daughter right there. Say hi, Mama.
Hi.
Me and her built this car together, right, Mommy?
And I'm watching a movie, and yes.
We built this car together. We did it as a team, and I won't have it all the different than her being here. Okay, so let's put the nuts together. And I'm always messing up. It's bolts, not nuts. So we're going to put this one in by hand first. Hopefully I can do it. I don't want to disturb my daughter watching her movie. If not, she's going to have to come and hold the camera. Okay. So there goes one in. Just want to put it finger tight. Grab another one. Let's put the one over here inside. Okay, that's 2. You don't want to tie them up too tight yet until you make everything even. Then you have this one right there. Then you're gonna have to push it a little bit right there. Let me see, make sure. I already noticed that where I got hit at, right here. I don't think I'm gonna be able to put that in. Let me just keep pushing it a little bit more this way just to see if I can fit it in. Baby, come on, I need you to hold the camera. Pause that for a minute.
Got it.
Thank you, baby. Point over here, okay? Hold the camera. Right here. Wait. Make sure you're looking there. Okay. Feel like it's a little off, Mama. You heard?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. There you go. I got it, Mommy. I got it. Okay, you want to do it finger tight first. So it's 4 of them. 1, point over here, Mama. 2 over here, where I'm pointing. 3 over here. And 4. So you want to do them finger tight first. There you go, Mama. Show them.
Back.
Right here. There you go. You showing them right here what I'm doing?
Yeah.
Oh, you're the best. And over here. Okay. Yeah, this one over here is a little off. Come this way, Mama. Show them. Because this is where I got hit at. And it's a little off. So I'm going to try to see if I can put it in at least a little bit. Oh, it went in. Nope, it didn't go in. I tried to bend it before, but it's too bended. So I'm just going to screw this back in. Oh, yeah. Okay, baby, you're doing good. Right here. You point it here. You're gonna need a 10mm socket with a long wrench. One. This one.
Two.
Two. You don't want to do it too tight. It's plastic. Then over here, Mama. Point over here.
Yeah.
Right here in this one. And the one in the bottom. Then you want this one. Good job, baby. This one we don't want we having a problem, Mommy. Because this is where Dad got hit. But let's see if we get it in.
Fixing it.
I don't know if it's going to go in, but we can live without it. Oh, it's going in. Yeah.
Yay.
It's going in, but it's going sideways, but it's okay. Right, Mama?
Yeah.
You don't want to go too tight. Remember, it's plastic. Okay, so we got one. Over here, Mama. One down here, right, Mama? One.
Yeah.
Two over here. Three.
And four.
And four. Now we're going to put the side light.
Five.
And it goes right here. Go a little back, Mama, so they can see it. Right there. Yep. Right there. And the way to put this, you got this little hook right here. It goes right in here. And then this right here is going to go right in here. So the way to put it is, you have to put it in here. We should connect the light first, right, baby?
Yeah.
First, connect the light. Point over here, Mommy. Right here. Come in this side so they can see the light. You want to connect this in here. You connect that. Then you put this hook right in here. But before you put it in there like that, uh-oh, Mama, I think we should have put this first. You know that, right, Mama? It looks like. But then again, let's see. Let's see if we can put it in without it. Let's see. Okay, let me try. You know what, let's take the harness out. There you go, look. Sorry about that. So what we have to do is put it in like this first. In here. Like this. And then put the harness in. Come over here, Mama. There you go. Put the harness right in. Like this. Little tight spot. Bing! Bingo! There you go.
Bingo.
So now, make sure we push that in there. That little clip goes in there. Okay, Mama, that is having a little difficult here. There it goes.
I'm doing good.
Yeah, you are doing good.
I am.
Mm-hmm. The reason why I was having problems, my friend, is that, see this clip right here? This clip goes right in here where the light headlight is at. So it has to slip right in there, and that's the reason when I couldn't get it in. So let me see if I can do it. Okay, so it has to go in, and then once that goes in the headlight, everything should go right in. So it has to slide in the light. Okay, so I'll be right back. So that's what it was, my friend. That clip has to go in there, the one that's inside, and then this clip goes in here. Let me just show you over here what I'm talking about. Oh, I don't have the light on. So the clip that I'm talking about, let me use the old light right here. Goes right in here, in this plastic right here. Now in this light, it doesn't have it, but it comes out through here because this one is broken, and it goes right in through it. So that's the reason why I was having a difficult time. And then you have to push it hard enough for it can go in. And then what you're gonna use the screw for the Phillip that goes right on the top. It's connected to the light. If you see it, it's connected to the light. It's a little off, but it's okay. What you expect for aftermarket stuff. Then again, I don't have to connect it here. Remember, I got a wire there. So let's see how it's looking. Oh boy. Yeah. Let's put the other one on. Let's grab this. Let's grab this one. And what you're gonna do is put it in sideways, like I said before. And here, like, see, give me a second. Oh, I'm putting it backwards. Nice. Okay. So what we're gonna do is you gotta put this side in first, in sideways, like that, in sideways. And it goes in. Now, I'm gonna do the same thing we did with the other ones. I'm gonna put the screws in. There's 4 of them. Goes 1. 2. And it started raining. Started raining, mama.
Oh my goodness.
It got me. The rain got me. I'm gonna try to do it before it starts raining hard. So what you wanna do, you wanna put those. It's raining, so now I'm a little rushing. So I'm just gonna screw those back on. Screw those in. And I'll be right back. 1, 2. And I gotta put one here. It's 4, so let me put all 4 of them because it's drizzling. Let me just put this one in so you can see that it's 4. Okay, my friend, I'm gonna screw them in because it's drizzling, and I'll be right back. I screwed them all in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I won't have it no other way. We're finishing this with my daughter holding the camera. Come on, mama, hold the camera. Point right here. So we're gonna put the other signal light in. Remember, if you have the hook, this hook right here, it will go right in here. But we don't have it. That's the problem I was having over here. Make sure this hook right here goes in this hole. And this goes under, like this. Goes right in. We're gonna put the screw. Come over here, mama. Show them over here. Gonna put the screw right here.
Twisty turn.
Yep, twisty turn. We're gonna put the lights on in. Go over there, mama. Point that in here. Point them right inside.
Yeah.
There you go, baby. So this one came with a light in it. So we're gonna take the harness out. Harness, point right in there, mama, so they can see. We're gonna connect the light. And let's see if the lights are working. Come back, mama. Come over here. I need you to just point right straight ahead. That is gonna turn on the lights and tell me if they're working, okay?
Okay. They're working.
They're working?
Yep.
Yes. Woo! Yes, baby. Let's see the signal light is working. Let me know, mama. Let's turn the signal light on. Over here, mama. Look. Is it
Yeah.
working? Point on it. Point on it.
Yep.
Point the camera.
That one.
Okay, now go to the other one over there. Is it working?
No.
No, that one is not working.
No.
Oh, you know why?
Why?
Because I haven't connected.
Yeah.
We screwed it on, Rose, without connecting it. We did a boo-boo.
A boo-boo.
We gotta connect it first. We be back, my YouTube friend. I forgot to connect this one. Okay, my friend, I forgot to connect the signal light here. That's why it's good to check. So we're gonna take the Phillip off. Forgot to connect it. I'll take it back out. It's very easy. Take your time. And there goes the connector right here. Come right here, Mama. This is the connector we forgot to connect. I forgot to connect, right, Mama? I forgot, right?
Yeah.
That was my boo-boo, right?
Yeah.
Now your boo-boo.
It's both for us, Boo Boo.
Both for us? Why? Because we partners?
Yeah.
Oh, I like that. I like that, girl. So, you know what happens every time I put that wire harness, Mama, first? It gives me a problem. So we can't put the wire harness first. We have to put it in first like this. And then put the wire harness in a tight spot. There it goes. Okay. We're going to put it in. Put the screw. Right here, Mama.
That's a little screw.
Okay, Mama, go back. Now look. See? Tell me if it's working now. Alright?
Okay. It's working, Yep, working. But not the right one is not. Now, yep, both of them.
Yes, baby. We did it, Mama. Mwah. This is a successful right here. Teamwork right here. We fixed the car together, right, Mama?
Yeah.
Give me a kiss. I love you. Thank you. So here you go, my friends. We did it. Me and my daughter did it. Let me close it up. So here you go, my friends. The finished product. Show you around. I would have cleaned it and showed you, but it's about to rain. Look at this. We did it, baby.
I got these, Daddy.
Yep, hold them. We did it, Mama. So here you go, my friends. So here you go. I am so happy and excited. Wow, we did it, Mama.
Yes.
We are a great team. Give me a dance. We did it. We did it. We did it. So here you go, my friends. Me and my daughter rebuilt the car. It is rebuilt. It is finished. Now somehow I gotta get it to pass inspection. I'm gonna see what I have to do. But here we go. We finished it. Thank you for everybody that supported us, encouraged us, and thank you for watching, for all our subscribers, all our friends. We did it, man. And remember, if me and Rose can do it,
you can do it.
That's right, you can do it. If you have any comments or questions, post them down below or contact me at nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com.
Later.